in this exercise, to complete the sentence, you have 3 different verbs to choose from. So there are 3 different verbs I'm going to give. So we learn to choose. Again, read aloud to see whether it makes sense. Okay. Choose the right verbs. Choose the right verbs. From the bracket. The wind flew, galloped, blew, hard that day. The cock sails, flows, floats on water. A river floats, swims, flows. A village. The bird has, the bird has. Run, flown, fled. Out of the cage. Out of the cage. The servant. The servant lay, put, laid. The table for breakfast. Columbus invented, discovered, explored. America. The moon raised, rose, awoke. Early. Cocks sing, caw, crow. In the morning, they hanged, hung, swung. The pictures on the wall. The pictures okay, they hang, swung the pictures on the wall, and finally the 10th one, the thieves. The thieves stole, robbed, and won all the property. All the property. All the property from the house. From. Now I have 10 sentences here, and we have in each case we have 3 verbs. Now we need to choose one. So choose the correct verbs from the bracket. So we will read the sentence loud. When you read aloud and we'll pick the word, then you know, okay, this is correct. Now first one, the wind flew hard. You won't say wind flew hard. Wind won't gallop. So the answer is the wind blew hard that day. The wind blew hard that day. So you got the sentence correct. From the 3 verbs, we choose one. The cock sails, flows, floats. Now what is that? What floats on water? The cock floats on water. It does not flow or sail or whatever. So you will say floats. What floats? The cock. The bottle cover, the cock, no, it floats on water because it is light. The river floats. You will say the river floats by a village? No. The river swims? No. Flow. The river flows by a village. So these 2 are wrong words, wrong verbs. Flows. The river, a river flows by a village. And then we have the bird has run out of cage. No. The bird has fled out of cage. No. So the bird has flown. What has the bird done? It has flown out of the cage. Okay? Fly, flew, flown. Finish going. The bird has flown. The servant laid the table for breakfast. The servant put the table for breakfast. The servant laid the table for breakfast. So the last one is the correct. You don't say the lay the table, you say laid, one servant. So the servant laid the table for breakfast. The servant laid the table for breakfast. Then we have Columbus. Columbus invented America? Surely not. The Columbus explored America? No. Columbus discovered America. Columbus did not invent America. Wrong. He explored America? No. He discovered. Columbus discovered America. Good. Then the moon raised early. The moon awoke early. No. The moon rose early. Raised, awoke, wrong. What is the moon? The moon rose early. It was early that day. Cocks sing in the morning. Cocks caw in the morning. Cocks crow in the morning. So sing is wrong. That we are not using. Cocks crow in the morning. And that's how you wake up. They hanged pictures, they hung pictures, they swung pictures on the wall. So what the right one? They hung. Hang, hung. They finished hanging. They hung the pictures on the wall, and the two next one are wrong. Then the thieves stole all the property from the house. The thief robbed all the property from the house. The thief won all the property from the house. What the right one? The thief stole. They finished stealing, they finished robbing. The thief stole all the pictures, all the property from the thief stole? No. Thief won? No. Thief robbed all the property from the house. Now let's look at it again correctly, leaving out the word. The wind blew hard that day. The cock floats on water. A river flows by our village. The bird has flown out of the cage. The servant laid the table for breakfast. Columbus discovered America. The moon rose early. Cocks crow in the morning. They hung the pictures on the wall. The thieves robbed all the property from the house. So we learned to choose the correct verb from the three given. So what we did is choosing the right word from the bracket, making sense for the sentence.